I am Kandipandan Narasimharao, ex-General Secretary, All India Central Warehousing Corporation Officers Association and Secretary, Central Asra Committee, GHMC, Hyderabad. I am observing it. Every Indian citizen is facing several problems due to second wave corona. They are unable to think about their future life, whether tomorrow I will be alive or not. Everybody is thinking like that. In these precarious circumstances, what government is doing, what central government, state governments are acting is a big question. It appears that both the governments were concentrating about their power. They are not at all bothering about the public life. They are only concentrating how to get elections elected, how to conduct elections, maybe in Assam, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu and other places. What about their fate after these elections? Only they are thinking it. In every state, due to by-election or some other thing, they are only concentrating on power. It is a known fact. As soon as elections are over and the results have come out, the TVs are telling everybody has to think about the lockdown, whether to impose lockdown or not. After facing several deaths, crores of people quarantined, now they are thinking about the lockdown or curfew or anything. By this, one can imagine how central state government are feeling responsibility about the controlling the deaths of the public and quarantined or corona affected people. One must know one man is affected with corona and quarantined means individual loss is in lakhs. What is that? They are unable to produce, they are unable to work, future strength is losing. If you count it in a money way, people's loss is in lakhs. One man quarantine loss is in lakhs, not in thousands and hundreds. Besides, they have to spend much amount on medicines also. Nobody is realizing it. Central government is not bothering it. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi has expressed that state governments can take a decision whether to impose lockdown or curfew, whatever they want. If so, why he had taken action for imposing the lockdown all over India when first wave has come? Today, he is not bothering about the Indian public. Why he is throwing the responsibility on the state governments? Every state is under your control. You have to control them. And now, after the crores of people's loss, public loss, medicine loss, everything, we are contemplating to think about imposing the curfew or lockdown or partial lockdown or partial curfew, etc. What is the use? After a long time, after losing it, and your wish has been completed for conducting the elections and coming out of the election results, Now you are thinking. It is crystal clear, every Indian citizen is observing it. Your intention, not public's intention. You are not at all thinking about the public life, public welfare, everything. People should understand how to teach these governments, how to make them to understand. If not today, even after 2 years, their intentions they should observe and act accordingly. We are only having one national government and a national party is acting. National party, this national party is thinking that no other state is ready to face them. No other opposition party is able to face them. With this conclusion, they are acting whatever they want. They are not at all bothering about the public life. Several people have suggested to impose lockdown long back. Long, in the sense, at least 2 months before only people have predicted it and suggested it. Even then you have not bothered. After passing 3 months and several lakhs of deaths and facing the crores of people quarantined and affected the corona positive results, you are thinking whether to keep it or not. Even in this stage is under thinking only. Firm decision is not being taken for not spreading the corona disease. What is their intention? They are only bothering about the income of their governments, maybe state government, central government, or anything. For which also I have suggested long back to impose financial emergency and reduce the salaries of everybody to the extent of 1/4 less or half, whatever it is, and reduce the expenditure. By that, you can control in future expenditure also. Today, several people are getting lakhs of rupees as retirement benefits. Lakhs of rupees is payments are being done to the ministers, MLAs, and everybody. All these salaries should come down to 1/4. Then only you can save the nation, you can save the expenditure, and future also inflation you can stop. That suggestion we have given. In TV, everybody is telling, every analyst is telling, lockdown is not the solution. If it was not their suggestion or somebody's suggestion, why today is contemplating for lockdown? It's a big question. After the loss, maybe human loss or whatever it is, today we are hearing about the corona effect on animals also. Ecological balance also we are not stopping it. This corona is being affected everybody, for which immediate financial emergency is to be imposed. Make the people to realize and cut short the expenditure and save the nation. It is my suggestion. I think central and state governments will follow immediately.